hindi pa ako nakapasok dyan sa PICC na to eh. Offers na offer. Mga big time na mga paol, may mga nakatoga na. Bababa natin.
When you hear this sound, it means that we are having an emergency situation. But there's no need to panic. Keep calm. Take deep breaths.
Pero hindi ang paghinat, sipag,
Ayan na.
tayo ay patuloy saan ang ating review at patuloy na pinagday ang ating kasalanan.
The faculty from the College of Education College of Human Kinetics, Open University System, Open University System Graduate Studies, Graduate School, College of Business Administration Graduate Studies, College of Education Graduate Studies, College of Political Science in Public.
Tapos may sisigaw na bilang, "Manak maya, ay paglaban!" Di ba nung nakaraan?
Guys! Victor, Tinopol Joylin, Hebreo Christian Carlo, Herete Mary Arias, Morio Michael, Gaitan Daniel, Garcia Enrico, Godoy Don Eric, Goyes Elenel, Hamon Gregoria, Lugati
Tim Ronin, Pasqua Shara May, Pineda Gargime, Piring Roniela Marie, Magna Cum Laude, Rais John Ray Alihan,
Cum laude ka?
Reyes Ronaldo Nacional.
I'm happy and so what's your advocacy now?
Soriano Rosemary
Ay, ayun na!
Consuelo Jericho, Leon Arden, Nesaville Charity, Magna Cum Laude, Jurado Lique, Magna Cum Laude, Historia Mea, Isaac Nolan, Naghilat Dagmar Joseph, Super Cum Laude, Mandy Rola J,
Alam ko kasi hindi na doon tayo.
Gaspar Adrian Christine,
Diego Madonna, Ronato Randy, Rongap Jenny Guevara, Sanibio Karen Joy, Santos Christine Joy, Sarmiento John Robin, Centillas Catherine Marcos Aris, Tibiata Ronald Cum Laude, Serrano Aris, Sifiata Ronald Magna Cum Laude, Soler Roberto Cum Laude, Tepase John.
I am beyond honored to represent this batch and deliver this Thanksgiving speech. Truly, our academic journey has never been a walk in the park. First, the pandemic happened and it caught us all off guard. We experienced significant fear and uncertainty. We were forced to transition to online learning almost overnight. Also, online learning has a lot of requirements, like you need to have your own laptop or PC, a stable internet connection, webcam, which majority of us do not have. Idagdag mo pa ang countless long nights of uncertainty, tons of third papers, reports, rigorous research, requirements, and examinations. Those were the days that we have to continue despite the threats and demands of the pandemic. Minsan, hindi na natin alam kung paano natin
Record.
hahatiin ang ating mga oras at sarili, kung ano ang dapat nating unahin. May iba sa atin na kahit may COVID na or may kapamilya tayo na nagka-COVID na,
Pero
ay tuloy pa rin mismo
Promotion na
sa
bago.
pag-aaral, sa pagtatrabaho, sa paglaban. With those being said, I would like to commend everyone for your resilience and perseverance. Indeed, those hard times have shaped us and led us into the scholars that we are today. And we were able to hurdle the storm and successfully finish this academic journey because of the steadfast love, support, encouragement of many individuals to whom we express our gratitude and appreciation. First, our dear parents, to my Nanay Mel and Tatay John, maraming salamat sa inyong walang katumbas na pagmamahal, suporta, tiwala at sa lahat ng inyong mga sakripisyo upang mabigyan lang kami ng magandang kinabukasan. To our parents, thank you for the countless times you stood by us and for celebrating our achievements with us and for comforting us during difficult times. To my husband, Lenin F. de Guzman, you are my font of inspiration and your optimism has kept me going despite the odds along the way. Thank you for your loving words of encouragement and the support, for being so very patient and for being my #1 fan. To our son, Desmond James, our source of happiness and strength and my very reason why I strive for the best. Para sa iyo to, anak. To my Nanay May and Tatay Boyet, my wonderful
Same number
in-laws,
pa rin naman.
thank you for your unwavering support and
Actually,
encouragement,
okay
for your
naman sa Viber.
invaluable
Mas gusto ko sa
guidance,
Viber kasi hindi
love,
na
and
Pero sige
kindness.
kung Telegram.
From the moment I
Ganun pa
joined
rin
your
naman.
family,
Sige.
you have embraced me with open arms, and for that, I am truly blessed. To our immediate family members, relatives, and friends, to my Halique, De Guzman, Fernando, and De Castro families, thank you for being with us in this journey, for your understanding, support, and words of encouragement. We also owe a debt of gratitude to our second parents, our advisors, our professors, for guiding us, supporting us along the way. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and expertise with us, for inspiring us in 2010. And in May 2014, I finished my bachelor's degree in English. A month after that, I enrolled in Master of Arts in English Language Teaching under the College of Education Graduate Studies and started working as a faculty assistant under the Office of the University Board Secretary and chaired the wishing you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Let's go!
Hagis na! Hagis na lang dito, sombrero.
Exit of colors.
Let's go! Let's go!
Sigaw na.
Kailan natin nilatapos?
Gagawin natin. Gagawin natin.
After?
Wala namang tao dito eh.
Agis na yung
Wala.
masandero nyo, hanggang sa ganyan. Kailangan mabot.
Yung ganyan sa'yo, tapos geto sa akin.
Si Mary tapos na siya lahat. Si Mary man naabot ng may pangarap.
Congratulations po.
Ay, thank you.
Congratulations po.
Congratulations.
Salamat po. Thank you po. Yes, kaklase po. G! Dali na! One, 2, 3. Congrats! Woo! Game. G. Mga kabigat.
Okay, thank you. Tapos paano pala yung ano, paano natin ano,